it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the UK. Thank you very much for joining me again today, and today is Top Tip Tuesday. I love Top Tip Tuesday. And today I am going to talk about adhering small dies or die cuts to your projects. This is, it's not the hardest die to adhere. Now what you could do is you could come along and add little dots of glue to the back, but it's quite fussy. So I got a top tip for you. Now first of all, silicone mats, they are fantastic. Now I've used this with glue so many times I cannot tell you, and cleanup is so easy because the glue just rolls off. It's fantastic. So you can just roll your glue off and it makes little blobs, and then you can just pop that in the bin. So, and I must say I have one that I use for glue and one that I keep for clean, because it's quite useful to use these for mirror stamping and things like that, and it's quite useful therefore to have one that's clean and one that's gluey. They're not expensive. So here is my die cut. It's from the, let's get the name right, Arts and Crafts die set, and there are quite a few fiddly dies. So you've got your little individual buttons, lots of buttons, you've got your paper clip, these edge pieces, so quite a few that are not that straightforward to adhere. This one is actually an edgelet, so you put it on the, you end up with a large piece of card here, so that's not so difficult. But these two, and the paper clip is lovely, but not that easy to adhere. So I've got this now the wrong way up. It's just a piece of basic black cardstock that I've run through the die cutting machine. Grab a little piece of sponge, and I keep mine in a small plastic container that's sort of airtight. Pop a smidge of glue on your silicone mat. Grab your sponge, and it will get, you know, horrid over time. Spread your glue onto your sponge and simply plop it, plop being a, you know, serious word, plop it on the back of your cardstock. All I would say is if you do move it, put it somewhere else, because otherwise you'll get glue on the front of your cardstock as well. I'll seal that up in a moment, and then simply take this, turn it over, pop it on your card, and there you are. Simple, simple. I always like to press things from the back so they don't move or smudge. I accept it's not straight, but it's adhered. And then this, once it's dry, I can just clean it up just by rubbing it and running it under a tap, and it will be absolutely perfect for the next time I need to use it. So I hope you found that useful. It's a very quick video. Top tips often are very quick. So hopefully you'll find that helpful. If you've got any top tips for adhering intricate dies to your project, I would love to hear them. Do please leave them in the comments below. It's great. I love people exchanging ideas in the comments section. It's exactly what I hope happens on Top Tip Tuesday, or indeed any other day of the week. So I would be really pleased to hear from you if you've got any top tips for how to adhere your fine die cuts. Obviously we used to have the adhesive sheets. I do still have some, but if you haven't got them and you can't get hold of them, I think this is a very good alternative. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Do remember, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already subscribe, there's a subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. If you would like any products and you're based in the UK, I would be thrilled if you chose me as your demonstrator. I have a fantastic VIP rewards program. Details of that are over on my website, and that's linked immediately below. There's an associated blog post and you can find my rewards program from that. If you are in any of the European countries that we operate in, so that's the UK, France, Germany, Austria or the Netherlands, if you would like to join Stampin' Up, I would be thrilled to welcome you to my team. my team is already into Europe, so we work on the basis that we do everything by Facebook Live and that sort of thing. So we do get to meet occasionally as well, face to face. We do like to meet face to face, but we do Facebook Live, we do Zoom calls, all that sort of thing. So don't feel that you would be left out just because you're on mainland Europe. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks a lot. Bye!